Hartford, which has been really pretty so far. Ah, here's the pub.
Want a pint?
That was a super 3-point turn there, if ever I saw one.
You want a pint?
I think a pint would be lovely. Yes. Ta-da! The old barge.
Okay, Bridge, where are we?
Hartford.
And we're at the end of the navigation in Hartford, literally, and there's a lovely pub which I've forgotten the name of, but literally out there is our boat. Just there. There it is, look, you can see the boat. The old barge.
Free house, absolutely lovely.
We're about to order some food and have a pint. And see where that takes us. So.
Very friendly service so far.
Very friendly, very professional. So looking forward to this.
Thoroughly recommend it so far.
Okay, Bridget. What have we got there?
This is a sunbeam. Looks
Yeah.
very sunbeamy as well. Look at the colour of that. It's gorgeous. So, and this one, as it is our first real ale in a pub on our narrowboat travels, this is to Magnus and Wendy.
From Life in a Nutshell.
Yeah, from Life in a Nutshell. This is for you, and here we go. Not bad. That was meant to be. That was meant to be.
Is it nice?
Yeah. Cheers, Magnus and Wendy.
What would you rate that?
Oh,
out of 10?
Definitely a 9.
9? Wow. And that's sunbeam, yeah?
That is gorgeous.
Thoughts on it?
Okay, so this is hobgoblin.
Yeah. Look at the colour of that. Look at that. Nice.
So we're gonna try this and see where we go, alright?
And you're going to rate that. What are you getting, Mark? Is that a wheelbarrow full of strawberries?
It's got kicks of everything afterwards as well, and it keeps working. It's like exploding in your mouth.
And how would you score that out of 10?
I would score it. Well, it's nice, and it's keep going. It's nice. So I was. I'm not going to give it a 9. I think I'll give it an 8.
An 8. That's good.
And flavour-wise, it's got some real oakiness to it.
No strawberries though.
A little bit of licorice.
Licorice.
I think that's what I'm getting. Hundreds,
Let me try.
maybe hundreds of thousands. No, hang on, fruit salad. Maybe, no,
Fruit salad. No, let me try.
Bridget's gonna have a go. Hang on, let me tell that for you.
Look at the colour of that in there. It's lovely. You see the colour through the sun?
Yeah. And this is hobgoblin.
Hobgoblin. Ooh. Oh wow. That definitely hits you and goes up the back of your throat, doesn't it? The vapours of it. Wow. That is nice.
You see, you have to take a second. Yeah. That's very,
Wait, go
very
straight up and hit me there.
Yeah.
Wow. I love it. Cheers.
Oh, she's just excessive in her nature. I'll tell you. I'll have both. I've got to try yours yet. Your sunbeam.
Do please.
Right, okay. Right. Okay, so this is sunbeam. Bridget rated this 9 out. By the way, what did you rate that?
Wow, 9 actually.
So she topped me on that one. So that was hobgoblin. Bridget gave it a 9. I gave it an 8 out of 10. This one she gave a 9 out of 10. Now this is with, do I concur, as the Americans say?
It's quite light though compared to that one. Light.
It's light, it bursts on your tongue, and very smooth. It's like it reminds me a little bit of old John Smith's I used to have when I was younger, but with a lot more fruitiness to it. Very smooth. So yeah, really nice. I like that. Probably the same, 8. So what have you got there, Bridge?
An 8-ounce ribeye medium rare steak.
An 8-ounce medium rare ribeye steak.
Yeah.
And
I'm going to go like this, just so that you can look at that.
Well, that looks nice. So, is it as good as it looks?
Perfect.
Right? Yeah, perfect. Thank you very much.
Lovely.
Yeah? Cooked nice. And you got some tomatoes there as well off the vine. A big old English mushroom. And some proper chips. And some watercress. And a bit of mayonnaise as well. I've got the same, so I'll soon tell you. Look what I got, ladies and gentlemen. Look, I love waffles. I cannot tell you how much. I'm dribbling. We got bananas, cream, hundreds of thousands, raspberries, ice cream, chocolate sauce, and I just need to get a little bit of waffle here on the end of this. That's it. Ooh, here we go. Look at that. Use my finger there. Look.
Nice.
Does a lock fill up with water? So this is the pub that we've just had some food in. It's the Old Barge, which is a free house. Thoroughly recommend it. Great location, good value for money, and also not very far from the boat, because we've got Rosetta parked up here as well. So not very far to stumble into the Old Barge. Great value for great service. Don't mind paying a little bit more than normal, because the service good, the food was good. We had, as you've probably seen in the video before, really nice food today. And we're just on our way through here, which is not far to go, through here, through these bollards to Sainsbury's, because we want to get ourselves a what do we call it, a flask, because we've realised, even though we've got tea making facilities when we're on the boat, it's nice to have a flask made up that you can stay on the back and crack on. So for those of you who are interested, this is pretty much the end of the navigation. It goes a bit further down there, and this is the winding hole just to turn around.
That's interesting.
So what do you think, Bridge? Did you like it?
That was lovely.
It was, wasn't it?
Just walking back from Sainsbury's, which is only round the corner, and there we are, all moored up and lit up next to this lovely pub. Fairy lights have come on all right, haven't they?
Come here. You get then. Come on. You get. As easy as that. Bridget's been getting ready with her twinkly lights.
So I can hear noises in the bathroom, and there are noises in here. What are you doing, Mark?
Well, we're still in the process of doing all the DIY catch-up stuff that needed to be done in the bathroom and the rest of the boat. And in this particular bathroom, this is where all the electricals run. Now, most of that's 12 volt, but there is also two 40 volt running through there. And the panel's been missing for some reason. So I don't know why that was, but it was. So we had a piece of wood made up down here, which is ash, and I stained it, well, 3 or 4 weeks ago. And basically, I'm ready to fit it on here. So we have these bits of blocks of wood here just to stop the going too far in, and there's a nice piece of wood that runs all the way behind here, and I'm just replicating what's already done on the other side of the boat. So just down here I've drilled a pilot hole for the screw. I'm just going to give that a little bit of a ream. I don't know actually what they call this process, however it's just so the screw on here can sink onto that piece flush basically into that hole. So I'm just going to offer it up. Let me get this off here and get my screw on here, bring it up and see what happens. So it should all fit, he says with much confidence. There we are. So that's that, and then I'll just get a bit stronger battery that will push flush. I'll do 2 more holes, one at that end, one at that end, and then that's it. So if you stand back a bit, you might be able to see the finished result of that.
Looks lots better, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
What say you, Mark?
What am I doing, babe? I'm putting some plumbing around the bed because we're well into our water sports now. In all fairness, this is a curtain rail, and it's a copper 15mm pipe like we did on the kitchen side, but we're fitting it on around the bedroom so we can have some sort of, like, I don't know, 4-poster bed affair. I think that's what Bridget wants anyway.
Well,
is that what you want?
Yes, that's the hope.
Okay, well that's what I'm doing.
And the worst case scenario is it's always a great place for fairy lights.
Oh, it's brilliant for fairy lights. So just need to back that off.
Or hang some baubles for Christmas.
Yeah, we're always into hanging baubles in the bedroom. So that's now fitted to the ceiling. So that will be fine. I obviously need to polish it up because it's been on the roof of the boat for the last few weeks. It's got a bit coppery. But yeah, all in all. So you can watch me do this. And a little gizmo here for cutting pipes. It goes into like there. And then we just turn that, spin it round, and off with his head. And then we have a nice clean finish. I've put an end cap on there, just a press fit one. Inside that groove is solder, and you just heat it up, but it's pointless because it's not going to be doing anything, so I just shoved it on the end.
Trying hard not to put the lime in there.
These are press fit. That's like that. And then that's now ready to fit a bracket over this side. Look at it pilot. Oh! When are they going to invent something that actually works? Okay. Oh yes, he's done it! I'll back that off. And come on, right, there we go. And then that goes in there. And that goes in there. And that goes in there. Oh!
Yay.
You know when your arms, you know when you was at school, you know when you're at school and you get told off when you're a little kid and they make you stand with your arms open. Did they do that at your school, Bridget?
I
seem to
recall that happening, but...
And then, how's that? Does that look alright? I'll hold this. Does that look alright, Bridget?
Yes.
Yeah? On there, that's the right angle, yeah? Cool. Okay. Okay, Tisha.
Someone's whistling.
I think the kettle's boiling, babe.
I think it is.
So, right, said Fred, let's have another cup of tea, and then we all went home. Oh, what? Do you know what? Ever the professional, striving for the highest level of craftsmanship, Mark adjusts his position. Adjusts his position and starts screwing from another angle. He achieves his goal. This creature can be found in many a habitat in the houses across the breadth of Britain. And here we have the lesser spotted copple fitter.
Just like that.
So now I can do bench press ups in the morning because
No, I don't
you don't get guns like this without doing a bit of physical. And that's there. I think I would like one in the middle.
Yes, I know, but it would interfere with any curtainage.
Yeah, okay. So, what do you think, babe?
I think that's super.
Do I get some brownie points for this one?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Yes. Well done.